What if I told you the most boring corner of the real estate industry is quietly printing six-figure profits for regular investors and almost no one's paying attention? I'm talking 2 to 3 deals, multiple six figures in profit, all from home. No renovations, no tenants, just dirt. Bought right and sold right. Here's a real example for you. So let's take a look at one of my students, Scott. He made $245,000 of profit in just 2 months from 6 deals. This isn't theory. It's happening quietly while most investors are fighting over houses still. Here's why land deserves your attention. Over the last 25 years, in some US counties, land actually outperformed gold. Take San Juan and Duchesne counties in Utah, 10 to 12% annual appreciation over 2 decades. A $20,000 parcel would have grown to roughly $340,000 by just sitting there. No safe, no storage, and again, no tenants. Okay, but here's the thing. Nobody wants to wait 25 years to get paid, right? And I didn't either. I didn't want to become a billionaire. I just wanted to make enough money to live my desired lifestyle with my family as soon as possible. Waiting to become rich the traditional ways by maxing out a 401k or Roth IRA didn't cut it for me, so sitting on land wasn't an option. Before land flipping, I tried practically everything. Drop shipping, Amazon FBA, even crypto. I failed on all of it miserably. By 2021, nothing was working. I lost my savings and nothing was working for me. Then my dad comes to me and says, you should look into land flipping. Everything checks out. We'll partner up together. 4 months later, we made $50,000 of profit without using any of our own capital. That one decision changed absolutely everything for us. I built a lean, remote land flipping business that now runs in about 2 hours a day with my oversight. And here's the key. Land flipping isn't about buying a random parcel on Zillow and slapping 30 grand on top of it. It's about finding these things: the right places, the right sellers, and obviously the right buyers. I recommend starting in disclosure states so the pricing is clean. Zoom into counties with the right numbers. So think of 5 acres between $30,000 to $100,000 on average, a population density of anywhere from 50 to 400 people per square mile, and properties that move within 90 days. Speed is very important. We want to rinse and repeat. That gives you data-backed market where flips actually work. All of our deals come from people who don't even have their land listed. So think of out-of-state owners, inherited land, longtime owners who just never used it or got it to its full potential. So given that situation, they want to offload. They just haven't been approached the right way. So now let's get into the buyer profile, because there's a misconception that people think that we just sell to anybody. So when it comes to buyers, it really depends on the layout of the land. So if it's a smaller parcel, let's say 1 to 2 acres, it's most likely you're going to be marketing to a developer or a family that has a large amount of cash that wants to build a house right there. If it's inside of a very popular school district, then that's going to be marketing to young families, saying a rare opportunity going into a very desirable school district. And then if it's a large hunting property, then obviously you want to market to hunters. So it really depends on the layout of the land, and there's a lot of use cases, but you need to make sure that you are marketing to the right individuals. When you match the land to use, the spreads get bigger. This isn't just a good strategy, the timing is perfect. After COVID, migration patterns changed. People left cities for rural areas and remote work started to explode. Land demand is growing fast because it's cheaper, healthier, and it gives people options. Meanwhile, most investors are still fighting over the same houses in the same crowded markets. Land is one of the blue oceans out there, and you don't need millions to get started. My first deal was funded by an investor. What matters is building trust. Set up a real business, LLC, website, business email. Make sure to use a local title company or closing attorney for every closing. Do not try to self-close. Make sure to personalize your outreach as well too, and follow up with sellers. That's how you stand out, get replies, and lock in deals. Do not be like everyone else. Land flipping is lean, unsaturated, and life-changing if you take it seriously. If you want to see exactly how I do this, from picking counties to closing deals, check out my other videos and join my free community. Inside, I share my spreadsheets, scripts, live county breakdowns, and you'll connect with over 100 other investors doing the exact same thing. Links in the description.